guys, welcome to my channel if you're new. Welcome back if you're one of my subscribers. If you're new, hit that subscribe button. So you might hear my dog Ash, and this is my one of my cats, Angel. I have a Rottweiler, a Husky, and 2 cats. So she hangs out downstairs. My other cat hangs upstairs in our master bedroom in the upper floor. So they play, but at night. So if you're not familiar with Tuner Crate, it's a monthly subscription for car guys and girls. They also make a one for the ladies that is full of car goodies, clothing, stickers, and a bunch of other stuff. So this month is for May. I just got this yesterday, but I was at a car show yesterday. I was at a big car show, Panda Junction, today. If you check out my Instagram, I'll be posting some of those pictures. My car got a lot of attention, a bunch of models. My car is apparently going to be in On the Street magazine now, with one of the models posing on my car. So cool for that, but I know you don't really care about that. You want to see this, so check it out. I'm going to try to do an intro. I don't know what that intro is going to be. I kind of have an idea of what it is, but let's check this out. Oh, sweet. So they're now doing a, they're now still doing the, which is really cool, the boost. So they're doing the really cool Max Boost series, which is awesome. It has a bunch of different pictures and like a story. So that's really, really cool. The next thing is awesome. So I am Meguiar sponsored, and that is a Meguiar sticker that it came with. So I wonder what the theme is. So obviously the theme is Speed Demons. Not sure what that's going to actually entail. I haven't been following their Instagram. I've been chaotically busy. It comes with the Tag Your Tires for the Toyo tires. A bonus. You'll notice some extra items in this month's crate. Surprise. Bonus free items for you. We had some overstock of previous collaborations and other designs at our headquarters. Instead of selling them or keeping them, we decided to include some items inside your crate free of charge. Consider it as a gift from us and our way of thanking you for being a member. Items will vary and may be duplicates. We all love free stuff. Wear it, enjoy it, and even give it away. So that is really cool. So apparently I might have extra stuff. We'll see if it's actual extra stuff or not, because obviously it normally comes with 2 shirts and then like a sweatshirt or a third like long sleeve shirt or like a bag or some other stuff to make up for that one shirt. So the price is there. So the average I think is like 52. I get the mystery crate, which is the top of the line. I think it's like 50 something, but I get like 20% off or something like that. I pay like about $47 every month. I don't get these free. I'm not sponsored or anything like that. I wish. That'd be awesome. But I love this color already. So Speed Demons, and it is the Japanese. That is freaking awesome. So definitely love that. So here is the repeat item. So a repeat item, One Last Ride, which I already have this. So this is an extra item, right? That's what they said, extra item. So this should not count towards my box. It should be extra. So the next extra item, because again, this is a repeat because I had the Super Street, and here we go. So sorry to tell you this, but I am now officially going to cancel my subscription because this is a bunch of bullshit. Excuse my language, but it is what it is. So these 2 shirts should not count towards my box because this is their extra items, okay? So I've got 1 shirt so far. Don't count these because, well, they're extra, so you can't count them. So here's a hat. Super Street. Again, that's an extra. It came from the Super Street box. You can check out my unboxing. It's the same hat. So you've got a bunch of stickers, which is cool. Like, oh god. Okay, I love stickers. So you got a ton of stickers. Just show them to you. This is a repeat. I don't mind though. I'm not sure if that's a repeat or not. I think it is. That's new. That's new, I think. That's new, or at least I don't have it. That's new. So you tell me. This is new. So I got a keychain that coilover or strut. It looks like a coilover to me. Keychain. I have like a huge box of these because, well, I was sponsored. You can check out that other video of that. A microfiber towel. Can never have enough of them. You can never have enough screwdrivers. I mean, you can have enough, but you can never have enough. I don't know which way you look at that because I have so many tools, like I don't really need more screwdrivers, but hey, I don't mind. Gives you something to break if it doesn't work. A toy. I'm not a big collector of toy cars or anything like that, so this will just go in my eventual giveaway box when I eventually do another giveaway. Then a new poster, and that's it. So where's my other two shirts? Like, does all of that equal the price that I paid? I mean, does all of that equal the price that I paid to get one new shirt? I'm paying to get new stuff. Like, if you're gonna say that this stuff is extra because you don't want to throw it away, so you're giving it away, make it extra. Like, put what I paid for in there and then this extra shit. Really, Tuner Crate, I'm done. Like, I'm gonna go back to maybe try Tuner Cult or something else. I mean, I have enough shirts as it is. Tuner Cult, and yeah, I'm not happy, not at all. So this is gonna be my last Tuner Crate unboxing, unless like Tuner Crate reaches out to me specifically to like try to get my business again. I'm gonna plaster this video all over the place because don't waste your money. They've run out of ideas. They're done stealing ideas from other people if that's what they've been doing, because they've been doing a lot of collaborations. And now what? Like, let's just like send out repeat shit. Anyways, thank you for watching. Again, please don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, check out my other videos, check out my other unboxings of Tuner Crate. I do have some cool intros and some of them that have a lot of views in that. So if not, if you're a car person, check out the car shows, check out my Instagram. I've been going to a lot of shows this summer. I'm going to try to post some videos of those as well. So take care.